Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at the first annual What the HUCK 2026 at Fredericksburg RC. Gorgeous field. Let me spin around here just for a moment. 400 acres of open land here. You've got yourself 2 parallel runways. You've got showers. You've got RV hookups. You've got bathrooms. You've even got an air-conditioned clubhouse, folks. If you get too hot, you can slip in there and cool off. Let's walk the line and do our Plain Fun RC flyby walk around. See what great things people have brought with them. Great turnout for the first year, folks. We've got some wonderful aircraft here, a mix of Flex Innovations and of course Extreme Flight as well. Got a great looking Flex Innovations biplane here, gorgeous plane. Owned, of course, the plane designed by Kike Somanzini of Flex Innovations. Extreme Flight here, always a nice one. Extreme Flight always has great aircraft, very lightweight airframe, open airframe, great flyers for those that have them and know them and love them. If you don't have one, get one, folks. You'll love it. They've got all sizes and they are fantastic. Plethora of awnings too, folks, to sit under to stay cool when the sun gets hot. But the great thing about having the parallel runways is that you can go through and fly on one while the sun's at your back, and when the sun shifts to the other side, you can switch over to the other. We've got the fantastic, the massive Extreme Flight Bushmaster here, hidden under the blanket. Very nice. Looks like he's got lights on there too. You can see it right there. How great is that? Really great turnout for the very first year, folks. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit down there. We'll work our way down there. But what a great turnout. I mean, really something. Most of your first time events isn't always a great turnout, but not in this case. Now this is a really cool one. Look at that. How neat is that, huh? A twin HOTS right there. Look at that. Very cool. Love that. I just love when someone takes the time to go through, puts 2 fuselages together. That is really cool. Fantastic. Scratch built, sir? Wonderful. Is it yours? Oh, fantastic. So you did, where'd you get the plans from?
They just took 1 twin HOTS and joined them together off of 2 kits and made it all one. So it's actually 2 kits built together.
Fantastic. What a cool looking airplane. Very, very, very cool. That's a 10 on the coolness scale. All right, my friend. Have a great day.
Thank you.
All right now. Great looking Pilot. Pilot always makes great 3D aircraft. They have for a long time. Always lots of really great stuff. You know, if you're coming to a 3D event, a What the HUCK event, you know you're going to see some of the best aircraft around. Great looking edge over here. Skywing. Skywing is coming into the scene lately. We're seeing more and more of their 3D aircraft there. Really nice looking. Looks like another Extreme Flight over here. Yep. Let's slip over this way. I'm seeing a laser. Extreme Flight laser right there. And I don't know if Kike's here or not, but I'm seeing a Flex Innovations tent, big Flex Innovations tent. You can see it right here, folks, with a plethora of good stuff underneath. Lots of great stuff from Flex Innovations. And I know that that plane right there was designed by Jay Stucia for Flex Innovations when he was working for them, but he has since opened up his own aircraft company, Apex Aerotech. And folks, remember, you've got the air, they've got the planes. Apex Aerotech, Apex Aerotech. Now this is one of the newer ones from Flex Innovations right there. Really nice one. That is the Ultimate. Really great looking. Look at that. Gorgeous. Now, I'm standing in front of a plane that just caught my eye. I'm seeing a Raven. Now, I have not seen this one. This must be one of the newer ones from Flex Innovations. Look at that. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. You got your mock exhaust in the cowling. Could easily go through them and fit a turboprop in there. But wow, what a unique look to it. It's kind of a mix of the Toucan turboprop and a 3D plane. Really, really unique. Look at that. That is so cool. I'm going to spin around here, get a look at it. Gorgeous. Fantastic. And of course the great looking extra. All right. And to my rear, check out this scheme. Wow, look at that. That is crazy. That is crazy. How awesome is that? That's a 10 on the coolness scale, everybody. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead and keep walking around, see what fun things people have. One of the great things that has happened in 3D is we've seen a lot more and more of the jets that are coming out with thrust vectoring and capable of doing 3D. What do we have here, sir? Is this yours?
No, mine. That's a Falcon. That's a Skywing Falcon. It's my friend's. He went home, but he'll be back.
Oh, okay. And who makes the Falcon?
I think it's Skywing.
Skywing, okay.
And that's a Falcon also.
And you see you've got 3D thrust vectoring in the back here. Look at that, folks. Fantastic. Let me see if I can move this chair out of the way, get a little closer look at it. You can see right there, for those that aren't familiar with thrust vectoring, you've got a push rod, two push rods. One that does the vertical, one does the horizontal. There's your horizontal there on that side. The vertical, let me see if I can get a shot of it underneath, right about there. That does the vertical. Usually working off a gyro, you can pitch the jet straight up, and it will hover just like a prop-driven aircraft. And they are incredible. First time I ever saw one was at Joe Knoll, and just fantastic. We've got another Falcon right behind me. Gorgeous. I think that one's even bigger than the other one. Skywing. Very nice. Oh, is it? Oh, okay. And this is Extreme Flight, right? Because
Same thing.
oh, okay.
No, it's made by Skywing. Extreme Flight sells it.
Oh, okay. I see. So Extreme Flight sells the Skywing. Wonderful. And you've got a Lizard over there. What a great looking plane. Also thrust vectoring as well.
Yes, sir.
Look at that. That's awesome. Fantastic. I bet you she is. Very cool looking. Thank you, gentlemen. Have a good flight. And we've got ourselves the Legacy biplane by Extreme Flight. Great flyer, folks. If you're looking for a really great 3D biplane, they've got a great one. It comes in different sizes, too. So if you don't, maybe if you're not in the giant scale, they've got something in a 60-inch span. Maybe, I think, it'll even a little smaller. Wonderful. Wonderful turnout today, folks. Really is for a first time. I would have to say, come on out here next year, folks. If they're holding this event next year, you definitely want to come out. Come support Fredericksburg RC. They have got some incredible events here. And, folks, let me tell you, this field is just stunning. I'm talking flat, open land, more than enough space to fly the largest of planes that you may have. And they have electrical hookup, too. So if you're going to go through and want to charge your battery, for, let's say, your electric planes, they've got that here. Let me jump over to the other field real quick in case folks aren't familiar with the field. I'm going to walk over this way. You can take a look here as we're walking over so you can see how the fields run parallel to each other. Now that's a trailer right there. Look at that. So it gives you an idea, as you can see here, folks, as we're walking over to the other field, gives you an idea just how big this place is. It's so big. Let me see if I can get it in the distance. I don't know if I can, but I'll do the best I can. I'm going to try to zoom in on that windsock that's in the distance there, because where you see that windsock there is an actual full-length runway. And the gentleman owns the land, flies off of that runway in the distance. How awesome is that? Folks, continue our walk around. We've got a fantastic looking Atom. Love that splash scheme that was made popular by the great Matt Chapin's Cap back in the early 2000s. What a really, really, really cool looking jet. This is by Atom Jets, by the way. Fantastic. Wow. That is cool. No two ways around it. All right, friends, let's continue our walk around. In addition to having that full-length runway, look what they did here, folks. They took a pool and put tails only here so you can come on over and dunk your tail while you're flying 3D. Well, folks, we've got a great event happening today. Make sure to like and subscribe because we're going to have a bunch of videos coming up because there's more to come.